Do you know what fish species are commonly used in making a scrumptious fish stock? Don't worry if you don't. That's why we're here today. Now, fish stock, my friends, is not just a concoction of fish and water. No, it's a crucial element in the culinary arts, a base for many a delightful dish, offering a depth of flavor that can elevate a meal from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine a cozy seafood chowder on a cold winter night, a vibrant bouillabaisse served at a fancy dinner, or a simple yet comforting bowl of fish soup. These dishes owe their delightful flavor profiles to the humble fish stock. And the fish species used in making this stock? Well, that's where the magic lies. Today, we're going to explore 3 fish species commonly used to make a flavorful fish stock. Intriguing, isn't it? So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey with us? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of fish stock and uncover the secrets of the sea. First on our list is the ever-popular cod, a fish as versatile in the sea as it is in the kitchen. Let's dive into the world of cod, a fish that has been gracing our dinner tables for centuries. Its wide availability, mild flavor and flaky but firm texture make it a beloved staple in kitchens worldwide. No wonder you'll find it in dishes ranging from traditional British fish and chips to Portuguese bacalhau. But what makes cod truly special is its versatility. It's a culinary chameleon, able to adapt to a variety of cooking methods and flavor pairings. You can poach it, bake it, grill it or fry it, and it will still retain its distinctive character while also beautifully absorbing the flavors of the ingredients around it. Now, let's talk about fish stock. It's the unsung hero of many a dish, providing a flavorful foundation for soups, stews, and sauces. And this is where cod really shines. Its mild flavor profile combined with its meaty texture makes it a fantastic choice for fish stock. It imparts a subtle seafood flavor without overpowering the other ingredients, creating a harmonious blend of tastes in your final dish. Moreover, cod's high gelatin content contributes to a stock that's rich and velvety. It's this quality that gives your dish that desirable lip-smacking sensation, making it feel more satisfying and complex. And let's not forget availability. Cod is widely available year-round, making it a practical choice for your stock-making needs. Whether you're using the whole fish or just the bones, you can generally find cod at your local market any time of the year. In summary, the cod, with its mild flavor and versatile nature, makes a great candidate for a rich and tasty fish stock. Its ability to enhance without overpowering, combined with its availability and satisfying texture, places it at the top of our list for fish stock ingredients. So next time you're cooking up a storm, remember the humble cod. It might just be the secret ingredient you've been looking for. Next up, we have the salmon, a flavorful powerhouse that brings a unique taste to the table. Salmon, with its unmistakable pink flesh and rich, succulent flavor, is a true jewel of the sea. It's a fish that doesn't shy away from making its presence known. Its flavor is robust, strong, and somewhat earthy, a taste that can truly hold its own. This makes salmon an excellent choice for cooking, and particularly for making fish stock, where its intense flavor seeps into the broth, making it a savory delight. But the charm of salmon doesn't stop at its flavor. Its texture is equally remarkable. The flesh of the salmon is dense, yet tender, and filled with a natural oiliness that adds a silky, velvety mouthfeel to any dish. This oily texture not only enhances the taste, but also contributes to the richness of the stock, giving it a hearty, wholesome body that is simply irresistible. Then, there are the health benefits. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and a host of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients not only make salmon a healthy choice for a meal, but also infuse the stock with their goodness, making it a nutritious concoction. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are known for their heart-healthy benefits. They help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and can even slow the development of plaque in the arteries. It's a fish that tastes good and does good, a combination that's hard to beat. And let's not forget the versatility of salmon. Whether it's grilled, poached, smoked, or used in a stock, salmon always manages to shine through with its characteristic flavor and texture. It's a fish that can be both the star of the show and a supporting actor, adding depth and complexity to a variety of dishes.
All in all, salmon with its intense flavor and nutritional benefits is a fantastic choice for a hearty fish stock.
Last but not least, let's talk about the snapper, a subtle enhancer that uplifts the taste of any dish. Delicacy and subtlety are the heart and soul of culinary arts, and snapper epitomizes this spirit. This fish is a cherished gem in the world of gastronomy, known for its delicate flavor and firm texture. It's not as bold as the salmon or as versatile as the cod. Rather, the snapper shines in its own unique way, providing a subtle touch that enhances the overall taste of a dish without overpowering it. Snapper has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that can be described as more refined compared to other fish. It's a taste that blends seamlessly with a range of ingredients, making it a preferred choice for chefs seeking to add a touch of oceanic freshness to their dishes. This is a fish that does not shout but whispers its presence, making it an ideal choice for dishes where a balance of flavors is key. The firm texture of snapper is another reason why it's so admired in culinary circles. It holds up well during the cooking process, not easily falling apart like some other fish. This firmness also lends a satisfying mouthfeel to dishes, a quality that is especially important in soups and broths. Now, why is snapper used in fish stock? Well, it all comes down to its ability to subtly enhance flavors. A good fish stock should not be overly fishy, but rather it should provide a nuanced base that elevates the other ingredients in a dish. And this is where the snapper truly excels. Its delicate flavor infuses the stock with a gentle sweetness, providing a balanced taste that complements rather than dominates. In addition, snapper's firm texture is beneficial in fish stock preparation. It ensures that the stock remains clear and free from unwanted bits that could cloud the broth. Ultimately, the snapper, with its delicate flavor and ability to subtly enhance dishes, is an excellent choice for a balanced fish stock. This fascinating fish is a testament to the power of subtlety in cooking, proving that sometimes less really is more. So, we've discussed 3 popular fish species used in fish stock: cod, salmon, and snapper. Let's take a moment to recap these flavorful sea dwellers. Cod, the versatile fish, is known for its mild, almost sweet flavor. This white, flaky fish is a chef's favorite when it comes to fish stock, lending a subtle taste that doesn't overpower the other ingredients. It's the perfect base when you want to create a stock that harmoniously blends with other flavors in your dish. Then we have salmon, the flavorful powerhouse. With its rich, oily texture and robust flavor, salmon is a bold choice for your stock. It imparts a distinct, hearty taste that stands out in any recipe. If you're looking to create a fish stock with a pronounced flavor profile that can hold its own, then salmon is your go-to choice. Lastly, we explored the snapper, the subtle enhancer. This fish is known for its firm texture and delicate flavor. When used in a stock, snapper subtly enhances the overall taste without stealing the spotlight. It's a great option when you want to add a hint of the sea to your dishes without overwhelming them. Each of these fish species brings something unique to the table, or should we say pot. And while they all have their own individual characteristics, it's important to remember that the best fish stock comes from a balance of flavors. So, whether you're a fan of the mild and versatile cod, the rich and hearty salmon, or the subtle and enhancing snapper, there's a fish out there for your stock pot. And who knows, you might even find yourself mixing and matching these species to create a stock that's uniquely yours. Remember, a good fish stock can transform a good dish into an extraordinary one. So keep experimenting with these species and find what suits your palate best. Until next time, keep cooking and keep exploring.